Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gqeberha the Empire from the 16th to the 20th of December 2024 on Monday. Zimkhitha is stand as Hlumelo asks if she can be trusted. Ntando find himself still interested in an old flame on Tuesday. Nobomi and Thulani find themselves stuck alone in a desert where everyone refuses to help them. Ntando's date turns out for the worst. Hlumelo's plan darkened by the minute on Wednesday. Thulani chose to play things close to the vest this time around. Hlumelo's shares with Ntando how to win your girl back when you've mistreated her. Zimkhitha hopes taking Hlumelo down will change how Ntando sees her on this day. Zimkhitha retrieves sensitive and damning information from Hlumelo's phone and shows Thulani and Nobomi. Ntando is determined to get Nomaflower back, even if it means embarrassing himself on Friday. Zimkhitha is haunted by the ghost from her past. Matilda convinces Nomaflower to give Ntando a chance to help them grow their business. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.